Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy is Popeye. He is replacing Amelia from the video yesterday. She's upstairs asleep. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. It's still kind of nasty weather out, and I'm feeling a lot better than I was yesterday, but I'm still just a little bit on the sick side.
Hence why he has a mint in his mouth.
Yes, I'm sorry. I normally never do gum or mints. I'm sorry, I know it's unprofessional, because that's what we are, so professional. Today we're going to do a little micro drone on the channel. This is a JJRC drone. Popeye, what do you think, buddy? No? He licked it. He likes it.
Popeye approved.
Popeye approved. It should fly really well. It's got one of these little single-handed remotes, you know, one hand. So believe it or not, there are actually quite a few people out there that just have one hand, and this is a good transmitter for them because you really can fly with just one hand. It's usually throttle up, yaw, tilt it to fly. What we're going to do in this video is take a close look to see what comes in the box very quickly, and then we're going to fly this for you and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money. And I want to say thanks to everyone that has been buying stuff off of our eBay store. It's been a few days since I've listed anything on there, but I've been putting some of our things that have been on the channel, used things, and a couple of new things on there too. And it's been going really well. So I just wanted to say thank you to those of you that have bought some things. And I do plan on, hopefully this weekend, I get a minute or two and I can put a few more things on there. So thank you very much. Here is the drone itself. It's a nice little indoor flyer. You could fly this outside, 2.4 gigahertz. It's not infrared or anything, but the size makes it very indoor friendly. You can see the bottom of the drone here. It's a very simple drone. No camera on here, and sometimes a lot of times I prefer no camera on these little guys just because the quality of the camera isn't usually all that great, and when they put the camera on, it just ups the price by $5 or $10. Here is where the battery goes, right in the back. That's the battery itself. It does come out, which is nice, but it is in a proprietary casing, which is not nice. There's a micro USB port here, which plugs into the micro USB cable, and then that just plugs into a regular size USB to charge. It takes about 40 minutes or so for it to get a full charge. This goes in the back, clips into place, has a little on-off button on the bottom of the drone, or no, it's the back of the drone. And then, as I said, the little one-handed transmitter. I like this a lot, and I'll show you guys how this works in the flight portion of the video. There are 4 spare props in the little bag, and that's it. You do get instructions, but that's it. So, before we fly this, we've got to go get a little baby to go to sleep, and then we will be back in just a couple seconds through the magic of YouTube. 1 poopy diaper, 2.5 ounce bottle, and about 30 minutes of rocking by Abby later. And we are back. Having a kid is crazy. It's not like having a Popeye. But as promised, let's fly this little drone. Okay, you turn the drone on first, then the transmitter, then you do need to give it throttle up and down to bind the drone to the transmitter every time. Then, Popeye, you ready? You want to hit the button? You just click the joystick, and we're good. We're going to give it some throttle. So, the way these work is like this. It's kind of like tipping your phone to fly a drone, except this one seems to have a delay.
Is it opposite?
No, it's not opposite. There's just a delay. It's a nasty little delay, honestly. Like, it gets kind of stuck and then it switches over. This is the worst one of these I've ever flown. Oh man, I don't like that. Okay, I am going to want to calibrate it and see if that helps. I'm going to click the joystick to do an auto landing. And then if you hold the gyro button for 2 seconds, it calibrates.
It's blinking.
Yeah, and I think it did that at the beginning of the flight, but let's try this anyway. You good, buddy? Okay. I put two batteries, 2 fresh batteries, brand new AAA batteries in this transmitter. This is odd because, oh yeah, there's a delay on this. This is 2.4 gigahertz, but it's acting like there's some kind of Wi-Fi interference with the signal. We've never had any, look, I'm pulling it back. We've never had any kind of interference at all with a micro drone inside here.
Center it. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, On 3, pick a direction.
3,
Ready?
2, 3, 2, 1, left. See? 3, 2, 1, right. Left.
It's back to center.
Right. Center. It's got a delay. It's more noticeable for me because I'm flying it, I'm sure. But there is a delay. It is flyable, but that doesn't make it fun. So we can do yaw rotation. There was a delay on that. I do like that.
Why are you using your other hand to do y'all?
Just show you that I'm doing it. Look, there's a delay in that too. 3, 2, 1, left. 3, 2, 1, let go. Left. Let go. It's got to let go. It's fine now, but it would after I let go, it kept going for half a second. This one has a few issues. Well, we have a light button. We can turn the lights off, turn them on. I do like having that as an option. This is wild. It's very, very hard to fly this guy because of the delay. It almost acts like it's getting better, but there's still a noticeable twitchy delay. If you notice, it's got it's hard to explain. There's a delay, and that definitely takes away from the fun. It does have a rate button. Now I'm in rate 2. Let's go faster yaw. See if there's a third rate. There is. Faster still. More sensitive. Go back to rate 1. You know, these kind of drones with this transmitter we've had on the channel before. They're not super common, but this might be the 4th or 5th drone like this we've seen, just with this style of transmitter. And I do really love the idea of this transmitter. It's very intuitive. Oh, I want to fly back? I'll pull back toward me. Fly away? I'll tilt it away, left and right. It seems to be more intuitive than holding a transmitter with 2 joysticks because of the altitude hold. And if you want it to go up, you just push the joystick up, pull the joystick down to go down. It's very intuitive for a beginner or a person with one hand. But this one has some kind of delay in the controls. It doesn't make the drone horrible, but definitely not one that I would want to recommend over others for the price. So I would say that this is probably a pass. There, it's still there. Still there. We do have headless mode and return to home, but with this delay, I'm not even going to worry about testing that. And honestly, I don't even really feel like I need to test the whole flight time because it's not a drone that I would really recommend to you guys. We've got other drones with this transmitter on our channel. If you want to check this style out, be sure to browse through our channel, and I'm sure you'll find one with this style of transmitter that you'll just love. It's really neat. And JJRC usually does a really good job with their toy grade stuff. That's kind of their specialty, but in this case, it's just not one that I would highly recommend. I'm not saying it's a horrible drone. It definitely has some value and you can have some fun with this. But if you're going to spend this much money, you might as well buy one that you're going to get more bang for your buck, and it doesn't have a delay. So we'll have this linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. And we'll do our best. Through this video, you'll notice at the top of the video a little card pops up. I think it's on this end, or those are, is that the right side?
Yeah, it's
this side, yeah. And then you go pow. We put those there. They're not recommended by YouTube on our channel. On our channel, every time you see one of those pop up, I put it there. And I'm not going to put one that I don't recommend, so you'll never see this drone as one of those cards. So if you're just browsing on our channel and you're thinking, oh man, I've been looking at micro drones, but it's too bad that that one didn't work out because I'm in the market for one. Well, we should have other micro drones on those little cards there. Again, thanks for all the support. And whether you're eBay support, whether you're Facebook support, whether you just subscribe to our channel and you just stop by to watch the videos that we're putting out, or if you're as far as Patreon support, we really appreciate it. We could not do this channel without the support of all the other, just all the support. I mean, even the likes that we get on this video. We thank you guys so much, so very much. It really means the world to us. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.